Did you see that dog?
Dude, I so saw that thing. That was so ugly, dude. You almost got straight bit right there.
I know. Did you see its teeth? I swear that thing has ginger.
Oh, man. That was heck of close.
Man, I gotta go to the bathroom. You think this place has a bathroom?
I don't know, man.
Let's check it out.
We should definitely.
This place is kind of creepy.
We shouldn't have gone here, I don't think. Hi, do you have a bathroom, maybe?
Yeah. It's in the back.
Okay.
Take some light steps down at the end of the hall down there.
Okay, you go first.
Dude, that guy's kind of creepy.
Just go. Just go.
I'm not sure.
Just go. You go first, okay? I don't care. I can pee later.
Dude, but you see that guy?
I know, okay?
I don't know. He looks kind of... Dude.
Just go in first, okay? Just go in. I don't care. Stupid little baby. What was that sound? Go.